Hey guys, welcome back. So this year OnePlus is planning something huge. OnePlus will be launching a lot of new devices starting from budget phones to ultra flagship phones. We all know that OnePlus 10 Ultra is already in the work with many new cool features, but recently a huge leak on Weibo showcased the design for the upcoming standard OnePlus 10. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So guys, this is how the OnePlus 10 or the OnePlus 10R may look like, because a leaker from China shared a photo in which we can see back panel of unreleased OnePlus phones, which may belong to the standard OnePlus 10 or the OnePlus 10R. So this means upcoming phones will house a triple camera sensors on the back in a square type camera housing containing a huge main sensor, most likely a 50 megapixel or 108 megapixel camera sensor. Now this photo also gives us a hint that the standard OnePlus 10 might come in at least two color options. First one is white, which is very close to OnePlus 10 Pro's white color launched in China, and second one is matte black like we have on the OnePlus 9R, 9RT and other devices as well. Now moving on to the performance, OnePlus is most likely gonna use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for the standard OnePlus 10 and Dimensity 9000 CPU for the flagship killer 10R. Here the shocking part is DCS says when it comes to CPU heating and power consumption, the Dimensity 9000 is ahead of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and that is because of the TSMC's 4nm architecture, which is currently very much reliable and offers stable performance. So yeah, performance wise both of the devices will be powerful enough for your normal daily power usage. OnePlus is also working on a new budget smartphone, the OnePlus Nord 3, which will bring crazy amount of charging speed. This latest OnePlus phone will be powered by 4500 mAh dual cell battery and huge 150 watt fast charging speed. The phone will be very close to Realme's upcoming GT Neo 3, which recently at MWC shows how fast the charging speed is with the new 150 watt, and it can literally charge 0 to 50% in just 5 minutes, which is pretty insane for a mid-range smartphone. Now here I'm pretty much sure that this high-speed charging tech will be coming to the OnePlus 10 Ultra as well, which will again going to break all the barriers in terms of charging speed in the premium flagship market. Now talking about the camera specifications, OnePlus 10 Ultra is also gonna bring a periscope lens, which OnePlus fans were waiting from a long time. The primary shooter will be a 50 megapixel with Oppo's 5-axis optical image stabilization, 50 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle photos, and a proper periscope lens which can go up to 5x without losing onto the details. The device is also expected to come with the Mari Silicon X NPU, which is a custom ISP by Oppo, and color calibration done by Hasselblad, so no doubt this is going to improve the camera performance a lot in the OnePlus 10 Ultra. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts upon this in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more daily updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.